is for car, going zoom zoom. D is for drum, with a boom boom boom. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing and learning as fun as can be. E is for elephant, so big and tall. F is for frog, who loves to hop and crawl. G is for guitar, strum and play. H is for hippo, smiling all day. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing and learning as fun as can be. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, get up on your feet. K is for kite, flying in the sky. L is for lion, with a mighty cry. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing and learning as fun as can be. M is for moon, shining so bright. N is for nest, cozy at night. O is for owl, who says hoo hoo. P is for penguin, waddling too. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing and learning as fun as can be. Q is for queen, with a crown so high. R is for rainbow, lighting up the sky. S is for sun, glowing all day long. T is for tiger, mighty and strong. A, B, C, come sing with me. Dancing and learning as fun as can be. U is for umbrella on rainy days. V is for violin that sweetly plays. W is for whale swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone playing with glee. Y is for yak with soft brown hair. Z is for zebra striped with flair. A, B, C, from A to Z. Learning letters is fun and free.
Tiny little cats, eating watermelon, how about that? Juicy and sweet, a yummy little treat. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat. Tiny little cat with her fur so bright, found a watermelon, oh what a sight. She took a little bite, it was so fun. Watermelon joy under the sun. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat, eating watermelon, how about that? Juicy and sweet, a yummy little treat. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat. The cat had a grin from ear to ear, nibbling on melon without a fear. Drip, 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 the juice ran down, making the cat dance all around. Tiny little cats, tiny little cats, eating watermelon, how about that? Juicy and sweet, a yummy little treat. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat. With a happy purr and belly so full, the tiny cat smiled, feeling so cool. She lay in the shade with a little nap, dreaming of more melon in her lap. Tiny little cats, tiny little cats, eating watermelon, how about that? Juicy and sweet, a yummy little treat. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat. Tiny little cats, tiny little cats, eating watermelon, how about that? Juicy and sweet, a yummy little treat. Tiny little cat, tiny little cat.
Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends. Oodles of stories they'll tell you, a lot of lullabies they sing for you. They tell you what is good and bad. Follow their advice or they'll be sad. They take you to the children's park, and they play with you till it's dark. They always teach you good manners and mold you to be life's winners. Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends. Grandpa teaches you school's lessons. Grandma makes you cool desserts. They take care of you when you are ill. They promptly give you doctor's pill. You soon grow up strong and bold, but grandparents become weak and old. It's your turn to show them your love. It's the only thing that they need now. Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends. Never make them feel as a burden. This will make their hearts sadden. Spare a little time for their happiness. This will ward off their loneliness. When illness is inside loneliness, memory loss that fade their liveliness. There is no cure for memory loss. Let not their lives go for a toss. Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends. Make them laugh, sing and dance with you. A little shake is good for the health too. Take them for a fun-filled movie. They will enjoy and so do we. Give them drawing color activity. This will trigger their creativity. Keep on talking and listening to them. Make sure you give them a quality time. Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends. Take them for a morning walk. Patiently listen to what they talk. Play a lot of games with them, like Scrabble, chess, or carom. Teach them to use a mobile phone. Let them practice on their own. These simple acts activate their brain. Your efforts never go down the drain. Love your grandparents. Their love is deep and never ends.
so bright, you're so hot. Baby girl, we say hi. Soft and calm, it shines so clear. Moon for baby girl, always near. Shining